Ikaw ba'y mabuting katiwala? Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng, book author at editor. Magkapet pandasal muna tayo. Ang aming parokya, ang Christ the King Green Meadows or CTK, ay tinaguri ang Stewardship Parish. Sabi sa CTK website, a stewardship parish is a parish made up of believers who recognize that they own nothing, that they are simply caretakers, stewards of all God has entrusted to them. Nung pandemic, panay ang pagpapasalamat ng aming parish priest sa patuloy na pagbigay ng mga tao sa mga maraming proyekto upang tumulong sa mga nangangailangan. From beds, beddings, and free haircuts for frontliners, food and gift packs for the needy, pati ayuda sa mga mas mahirap na parokya. Nakapagbigay ang CTK dahil sa mga taong bukas palad na nagbibigay. But there's a lot of room to grow when it comes to being good stewards. Kasi sabi nga nila, stewardship isn't just about giving money. It's about giving everything. 1 Peter 4 verse 10 says, serve each other according to the gift each person has received, as good managers of God's diverse gifts. How can you be a better steward of your time, talent, and treasure? Tayo magdasal. Like a good steward, help me to be thankful in gratitude, to count more my blessings and less of my adversities. Let me open my hands so that I can love and share my gifts. Help me understand that in a Christian love, I have the need to give more than giving to a need. Amen.